Imagine for a moment an asteroid, a cosmic bullet is heading straight for Earth. What do? Picture an object hailing from the depths of space, barreling towards our planet at breakneck speed. The potential devastation is unimaginable, a catastrophe of such magnitude that it could spell the end of life as we know it. This ultimatum from the universe isn't just a scene from a blockbuster movie, but a very real, albeit rare, possibility. It's a wake-up call, a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos and the threats that lurk within it. Preparedness isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. Proactive measures aren't just a choice, they're a survival strategy. The stakes couldn't be higher, the threat couldn't be greater, and the solution couldn't be more urgent. The question then becomes, how do we stop this celestial threat from causing an extinction-level event? The answer lies in science. When it comes to deflecting an asteroid, scientists have several methods at their disposal. Our first defense against these celestial threats begins millions of miles away, long before they pose any imminent danger. Early detection is crucial. Through the use of powerful telescopes and advanced tracking algorithms, scientists are able to identify potentially hazardous asteroids years, sometimes even decades in advance. This gives us the precious gift of time, a vital commodity when it comes to planning our deflection strategies. Let's dive right into our first method, the gravity tractor. The concept of this method is as fascinating as it sounds. A spacecraft is launched and positioned near the asteroid. Over an extended period, the gravitational attraction between the spacecraft and the asteroid, although minuscule, is enough to nudge the asteroid off its original course. This method doesn't require us to touch the asteroid at all, reducing the risk of accidentally breaking it into multiple threatening pieces. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the kinetic impactor method. This strategy is more straightforward and perhaps a bit more dramatic. It involves launching a spacecraft on a collision course with the asteroid. The force of this high-speed impact is enough to change the asteroid's trajectory, steering it away from Earth. It's like a cosmic game of billiards, with the stakes being the survival of our planet. However, both these methods are not without their challenges. They require precise calculations and an immense amount of planning. A slight error in calculations could lead to a failed mission, or worse, an even more dangerous asteroid trajectory. But let's not forget the scale of what we're trying to achieve here. We're talking about altering the course of a massive object hurtling through space at incredible speeds. The fact that we have developed methods to achieve this is a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to protect our home. Both methods require precise calculations and extensive planning, but if successful, they could save our planet from a catastrophic event. So, we have the tools to deflect an asteroid, but what next? Well, the future of asteroid deflection is both exciting and promising. Our technological prowess is advancing at an unprecedented pace, which could make these deflection processes more efficient and reliable. Imagine a future where we can not only predict an asteroid's path with pinpoint accuracy, but also alter its course with precision, ensuring that our planet stays safe from these cosmic threats. Moreover, the importance of international cooperation cannot be overstated. Asteroid deflection is a global concern, requiring collective efforts from scientists, governments, and space agencies worldwide. It's not a matter of if, but when we will have to face another asteroid threat. But with countries working together, sharing resources, knowledge, and technology, we can be prepared. The future is not about fear, but about embracing the challenges that lie ahead. With the rapid advancements in technology and international cooperation, we stand a fighting chance against these cosmic threats. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky and wonder about the mysteries it holds, remember this. Our journey today has taken us from understanding the ultimate threat posed by asteroids to the science that empowers us to deflect them. We've learned that early detection is our best defense, giving us time to deploy methods of deflection, whether that's by gravity tractor, kinetic impactor, or even a nuclear device. Looking to the future, we've glimpsed advancements that will further empower us in the realm of asteroid deflection. The development of new technologies and strategies, driven by our growing knowledge and understanding, will only make us more capable when faced with these celestial challenges. But perhaps the greatest takeaway from all this is the power of knowledge itself. It's the key that unlocks our ability to protect our planet and ensure our survival. With knowledge and preparation, we can turn a potential disaster into a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. After all, the universe may be vast and unpredictable, but so too is the potential of human innovation.